Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neetu Chandel and you are watching Watch, Learn and Implement. Today I will be sharing a very interesting place in Delhi NCR. This place is really in reach of every people, and even it's not very much expensive. You won't believe the entry ticket is just 50 rupees. You can easily go ahead and enjoy this place. I know like many people don't prefer to go this place, but I will request you to go once because you will like the creativity of this place. On this note, I will begin the video, but before that I just need your support by subscribing and by clicking on a bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my videos. So let's begin today's video. So in today's video I am going to take you Ways to Wonder. This is the place, or you can say this is the park or picnic spot for many of the Delhi people. This actually place is really very creative, and this is located in East Delhi. This place is actually replica of all the 7 wonders. So you will definitely like this place. In this place you will find all the 7 wonders made using waste materials. So isn't it very much exciting, because everything you will find here, those are actually once upon a time wastage and dumped somewhere, but because of our creative people, like few of our creative engineers made these replicas of 7 wonders out of those waste materials, and you won't believe those actually look alike. And if you want, you can compare all the 7 wonders with the replica of the 7 wonders located in Ways to Wonder place. So on this note, let me take you to the place.
The Ways to Wonder Park was inaugurated by Home Minister Rajnath Singh, and now it is really famous among people because of nature as well as the creativity used to build this park. You can reach this place via any of the public transport mode. The nearest metro station is Hazrat Nizamuddin metro station. Once you get down there, the auto rickshaw will charge you 10 rupees. That will be shared auto, and it will drop you at the gate of this Ways to Wonder. According to SDMC, this park build cost is around 7.5 crore, and it took around 150 tons of scrap and 5 artists, 7 supporting artists, 70 welders and helpers have been used to make it successful. The park timing is 11 am to 11 pm every day except Monday. Entry fee for children between 3 to 12 years is 25 rupees, and for adult it is 50 rupees, and for senior citizen it is free of cost. You will require at least 1 or 2 hours to cover this place. This is advisable that you go in the evening if you are visiting this place in summer. In winter you can definitely go ahead and enjoy the sunlight. The theme park consists of 7 wonders of the world, that is Taj Mahal, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Great Pyramid of Giza, Eiffel Tower of Paris, Christ the Redeemer statue of Rio de Janeiro, the Statue of Liberty of United States of America, and Rome's Colosseum. To watch the beauty of light, do visit in the night only. Let's first talk about the Great Pyramid of Giza. Pyramid of Giza is also known as Pyramid of Khufu or Pyramid of Cheops. This is the largest and oldest of the 3 pyramids in the Giza pyramid complex. It is actually one of the oldest 7 wonders of ancient world, and it is the only one to remain largely intact. In Ways to Wonder Park, Pyramid of Giza has been prepared by 110 layer structure, which has been generated by using 10,800 feet scrap angles weighing 10 to 12 tons. In the night it looks beautiful because of lightning. Now I will approach to our second wonder, that is Eiffel Tower. So if we talk about Eiffel Tower, this is actually the most visited paid monument in the world, and this is named after the engineer who actually built Eiffel Tower. Initially actually it was criticized by many people that what has been built, but later on it is categorized among one of the seven wonders. In Ways to Wonder Park, again we have got the replica of Eiffel Tower. It is 70 feet tall and made up of wrought iron, lattice, and many more automobile wastage like trucks, clutch plates, C channels, etc. So the three floors of the replica were created separately and assembled with the help of crane. This also looks beautiful in the night because of lightning, so do visit in the night because beauty will be visible in the night only. Our next wonder is Leaning Tower of Pisa. This is sometimes also quoted as Tower of Pisa only. It is known worldwide for its nearly 4-degree lean, the result of an unstable foundation. Replica of this consists of 211 arches spread out in 8 stories, which have been fabricated from cycle rim diamond designs in between the arches that are made from metal sheets and pipes to look like a pillar. Next wonder is Colosseum of Rome. This is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. This was the largest amphitheater ever built at the time and held 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. In Ways to Wonder, to create replica of this, electric poles, metal railings, bench, automobile spare parts and car wheels has been used. Now I am approaching towards Christ the Redeemer statue. This was built between 1922 and 1931. The statue is 30 meters high, excluding 8-meter pedestal, and the arms stretch 28 meters wide. This is located in Brazil. In Ways to Wonder, the benches, square pipes are used to make the pedestal, and to make the lower part of the statue dress, electric poles have been placed vertically. Motorbike chains are used to create hair and engine parts for hands. Now I am approaching towards the favorite wonder, that is Taj Mahal, because this is the only wonder I have visited as of now. But yeah, I'll be visiting other wonders definitely in the future, so I am very much positive about that. Now coming to the point, Taj Mahal is located in India, Agra, and this is actually a symbol of love which was built by our one of the king in memory of his wife. In Ways to Wonder, this beautiful structure of Taj Mahal has been created by using 1600 cycle rings, electric poles, old pans, park benches, swings, truck springs, etc. and domes have been created by using 2 pipes and truck sheets. Now I am approaching towards the Statue of Liberty, which is located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor within New York City. This is in United States. The Cooper statue is a gift from the people of France to the people of United States. In Ways to Wonder, this has been created by using old piles, metal railings and angles.
So please go ahead and visit this place and see the creativity, and if you have already visited this place, comment and let me know how did you like this place, because for me this was a really good experience. So on this note, I will stop this video over here and I hope to see you again with my new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.